The ticklers are designed to help you prioritize your day and keep you from overlooking important tasks. The calendar window is where you can see these tickler items listed. If you are an Agency Pro user, you may set your view to the tickler view, where all types of ticklers will be listed in something similar to the task pane. For this video, we will return to the calendar view. The first thing you should be aware of are the page views and filters. The calendar by default will be filtered to the current user's open items. Change the status filter to closed to see the closed tasks and ticklers. To see other users' ticklers or tasks, you can choose another user in the For dropdown or select all users to see everyone's ticklers. You can also show only the ticklers for the selected client by checking this box. Use the View dropdown to change from a daily to a weekly or monthly view. And notice that when you change this view, your ticklers may turn into shortened subjects or just an icon. Click on a different day in the calendar to focus on a different time period. The task pane below is designed to be more like a list of tasks, which can be deactivated when complete. Notice the past due tasks appear in red, current day tasks appear in black, and future tasks appear in blue. When a task is complete, you can edit and close it or reschedule it for the next time this task recurs. To add a tickler or task, click the plus icon on the toolbar. The new tickler window will allow you to change to the desired activity type. All of these activities will show on the calendar window and tickler reports, though only tasks will show in the task list. If you are highlighted on Alarm Only, the Set Alarm setting will be set to Yes and allow you to select the type of alarm, pop-up or text. A pop-up alarm will come up on the screen as you're working in the program, where the text alarm will be sent via text to the selected number or numbers. The alarm feature can be enabled when adding an appointment or task as well. If you are adding a tickler not associated with a client, you can check this box. You can also set ticklers for other users or the entire office. When a pop-up alarm comes up at its scheduled time, you must react to this alarm by canceling, snoozing, or going to the client or calendar. Go to Client or Calendar will refocus to the client listed on the tickler, which will disappear, then open back up the next minute unless you manually delete the tickler or change the alarm pop-up setting to No. The snooze option allows you to pick a later time for the alarm to return, and Cancel Alarm changes the pop-up alarm setting to No. Back on the calendar screen, you can print the schedule or print the task list, keeping in mind that these reports are filter sensitive. You can also find a tickler report on the reports screen.